Good morning, class 6. Today our topic is mineral and power resources. Now, what is minerals? You know that minerals are the wealth of a large continent. Now, in North America, these minerals are stored in the Canadian Shield, Appalachian Highland, Western Cordilleras, and regions surrounding the Great Lakes, and the area bordering the Gulf of Mexico. North America has the largest producer of iron ore, coal, copper, nickel, zinc, gold, silver, petroleum, and natural gases. Well, here in North America, iron ore is found in large deposits around Lake Superior, that is in the eastern part of the Canadian Shield. And in the eastern part of the Canadian Shield, in the southern Appalachian region, which make USA one of the largest producer of iron in the world. This mineral, along with coal, has been responsible for the rapid industrialization that took place in North America, as it has the raw materials that is required for an iron industry and steel industry. So the industry could be set up easily. See here, this is iron. This is iron. See here, iron, Canadian Shield, places that has been mentioned where iron is found in abundance. This is the Lake Superior area, Canadian Shield. All these areas there is lots of iron products are found. So minerals are found. Next is copper. This is also extensively found in the Rocky Mountain. Here comes the Rocky Mountain, and this is copper. See here. This is copper. This is the Rocky Mountain area, and in the Canadian and the Sunbury region of Ontario. See here. There also they are found in this. Lion Lake of Manitoba and the copper mines in Northwest Territory contribute most of the copper in North America. Copper is the good conductor or important conductor of electricity. It is cheaper than silver and better than aluminum. You can see our parents, when they go to the market to buy an electrical object, they ask them what is it made up of, whether it is made up of copper or not. Next comes gold, silver, and platinum. These are the precious metals that are found in North America in abundance. That means in sufficient quantities. That means not bad. Good amount of it is found. Other metals like nickel, zinc are found. Asbestos, phosphate, sulfur, these are non-metals. It are also found, and it is found in large quantities in North America. Next is coal. As we have found that iron is found in abundance, so coal is also found in those regions like Appalachian, where the great bituminous and anthracite varieties found. Then is the northwestern Pennsylvania, Illinois, West Virginia, Kentucky. All these are the places where coal are found. See here, coal. So these are the places where coal is found in. In Canada, coal is mainly mined in places as Alberta, Vancouver Islands. In the interior of the British Columbia, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick. Not only this, a good amount of deposit of petroleum are also found in the mid-continent regions in the Gulf. These are the Gulf coasts of the Rocky Mountains. See here, petrol oil tanks are there. Here, Gulf coast. Here, so these are the places where a good amount of petroleum are also found. Then in the Alaska region, Ontario, Alberta. See here, Alaska. Oh, this is gold. Here, the gold coal is found. Sorry, petrol is found. Although North America is the third largest producer of oil in the world after Russia and Saudi Arabia, it imports large quantities of petroleum as there is internal demand is very high and it is not sufficient that it is producing, so it has to import from other countries. Not only this, in America natural gas or hydrocarbon mixtures such as methane, ethane and propane are also found. It is usually found near together with petroleum in the same region. This can be used as fuel also, lighting, heating, generating electricity from industrial and domestic uses. Nowadays, natural gas is transported by pipelines by special tankers or barrages as liquefied natural gas. In North America, there is a vast water power resource. Dams are constructed near the Columbia Peninsula and the Colorado, where they produce hydroelectric power. So with this hydroelectric power, they also develop projects in Alpine and the Rocky Mountains. Niagara Falls provide them water power of both Canada and USA. Not only this, here geothermal, wind, solar and nuclear powers are also used in abundance. This is Niagara Falls. You can see why hydroelectricity is possible to be made from this large deposit. So with this we are coming to an end of our chapter. I think you can understand. Next class I will provide you the questions.